One of the questions we get asked frequently is, why do you take deposits? So part of our process here at Property Revolution is we come out to your home, we do an assessment of your roof, your siding, your deck or your fence. We get kind of a little plan together. We give you a quote for doing that project for you. And when you're ready to move forward on the project, we ask for a signature on that quote authorizing the work. And we also ask for a deposit. And so some people can feel a little uncomfortable with that, and I just wanted to shed a little bit of light on why we ask for that deposit. So when we first started out as a company, we were small, we were new, not many people recognized us, and I thought we could serve people better by not requiring deposits, but we had some trouble along the way with that. We had people that would sign an agreement or tell us to move forward with a project who didn't actually have the funds for the project. And so when we would get there to do the job, they would say, oh, we can't do this anymore. And we had blocked out time in our schedule, had materials delivered to their job site. We also had people just decide not to do the project at the last minute after we'd had materials delivered, and then we were on the hook to pay restocking fees at the supplier. So once we implemented taking a deposit for projects, those problems went away because everyone has a little bit of skin in the game. We're not asking for 50% up front, we're asking for about a third, which seems to make most people comfortable, and most people have a great experience working with that. The other reason for the deposit is we're making an investment once we're moving your project forward. We're buying the materials, getting things in order, and we're paying for those materials up front, which oftentimes exceeds what the deposit even runs. So for most projects, the cost of materials is 40 or 45% of the total project, and we're asking for 30% down. So we're just trying to make sure that most of our costs are covered, everybody has some skin in the game, and make sure that everyone has a good experience.